I'm like you, man. I got that monkey on my back, and just don't know what to do anymore. Going back to the dark side, and man, I'm 42 years old, and I've got these beautiful kids, and I got 3 of them, and they're amazing. And I'm just starting to running out of gas, man. Like I can't hold up like I used to. And
You care about yourself. Yeah, I can relate a lot, man. I can relate a lot. I think we are a lot the same. I just keep trying, but I was just not finding solution, not finding comfort. Man, it gets tiring. It gets so tiring, just the energy we spend just spinning our wheels, man. Keep playing just to lose. I'm tired of feeling alone. I'm tired of not I'm tired of also not even being there for myself. I mean, that's the loneliest, bro, when you don't even have yourself. Because you've set up so many little goals for yourself and not achieved them every time and time again that you don't even trust yourself. And so what I was doing was I wasn't doing anything to take care of myself, really. I had to start doing things different. I had to take action. And I'm not telling you what to do, but what has worked for me is taking action.